Now, she's got a question about SINA, S-I-N-A, which I believe is an entertainment company from China, for a bull call 55.65.
All right. I'm looking at the stock right now. Mina, can you tell us, you got to analyze the stock, first of all.
Okay.
Secondly, time frame. What time frame are you looking for? Near term, which is January is 9 days. Farther out, 37 days. It bounced from support in February.
Okay.
So she thinks that we got something in February to do on the upside. All right, the 55.65 call vertical. Basically, here's the 65, 685.95, and the 65 is 268.76. So if we were to buy the 55 and sell the 65 there, 695 versus 268, we're talking $4.27 that we're paying for a $10 vertical. $10 being the difference between the strikes. 55 and 65 is the most that spread can go to. Obviously, 0 is the least it can go to. So you know what your levels are, $0 to $10. Paying $4.27 means that you can make the difference between the 10 and the power $4.27 or the $5.73 if the stock closes 65 or higher at February expiry. Let's look at the chart.
Okay, here we go. Admiral also may not be well, that's just a bull call, guy. So I said here. I thought it was a more complex position. I was saying, do we want to look at the payoff position, payoff graph? But anyhow, here's the, excuse me, here's the chart, the basic pricing. Yeah, I do worry about this area here, 51 to, I'm sorry, 57 to 21. It still shows my, yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
No, it shows what everybody else is saying. So
okay.
It's on your end. Yeah. Let's look at it here. You know, approximately you have a decent, approximately. I'm trying to be careful here. Bullish divergence. You see that, right? Let me. Okay, I'm trying to answer a question here. Okay, we have a basic bullish divergence here. You see that, right? These are, if you take it there, you'd see we hit that area. Okay, but we're a lot higher in momentum here. So my thinking is, you better be bullish here. That's what I'm thinking here. That's a bull call. Good, 55.65. Okay. Now, where is it going to go? What's probable? You may see, 76 is too far. Hold on. I don't know if we're going to go there. Let's come down here. 75. Okay, you got a resistance here that's got to be tested. Okay, you got an outside bar on weekly. This is critical. This is good. We are at 57. You are at -1 sigma. We've been in this channel. See this channel nicely? Okay. Break of this, you got to go there. That's a magnet level. That's going to pull it. That puts us around 75 again. So you got 75. I'm just looking at confluence, 76, 77 there. Albeit this will be a little bit higher when we travel back up. Okay. I mean, I haven't followed the company in detail, but I'd say chart-wise, yeah, you got, you know, we're getting green here on the weekly, on the CI. I mean, if this turns, it's going to go. These are February's?
Yeah.
Right, February's okay. February's are 5 weeks away. So if you look at the put call data on VIX, it says we should have a down month in February. So maybe you'll be okay. I'll be in this area. But if that bet by the pros, by the big boys, is wrong, I think we're going to go 75. It's going to shoot over your 65 target. She's a 55, 65 spread.
But she's fine. She'll still make the difference between the 10 and 427. She's paying 427 for something that could be worth 10. She'll make 5.
So even if it goes to 75, she'll be fine?
She's a winner. The only thing that I would do based upon what you just said, Mina, which is, I think, things that I like to do that are favorite plays, is if Barry thinks he's got a shot to shoot to 75 in Feb, is try and buy that 70, 75, 80 butterfly. Okay? You could probably buy that butterfly for like 35, 40 cents. If you could buy that butterfly for 35, 40 cents, that's a butterfly that has the ability to expand to $5. And if it moves to, the stock moves to that middle price through the month of February, that thing will have a lot of life in the last week and a half to 2 weeks. So you'd be buying 170, selling 275s, and buying 180, and that would be the butterfly. And that's to try and take advantage of a very big move to the upside.